Alright, so we've just set up the observer, the listener, the target, and the audio source, or the emitter. So now let's write some custom code so we can actually use these events in our game. So let's write one for the target, as it's likely the one you'll most likely need. So I'm just going to start with the new C# script that I create outside of the LOS Pro folder, just in case there's updates. I don't want to lose my my progress. So let's call this my site target callbacks. And I'm just going to open this. There we go. So all I have to do is right at the top using devdoc.lospro, so we have the namespace, and here I want to implement the ISightTargetCallbacks. I can also implement ISightTarget and I'll be able to define a complete target, but in this case I just want callbacks, so I can attach this script to an existing target and receive all of its callbacks. There we go. So now we actually have to implement all of the methods. So implement missing members. You might have a yellow little light bulb here. In the end, you just want to implement all of the interfaces methods. So we get a bunch of callbacks here. I'm just going to quickly remove all of these not implemented exceptions. So let's say I want to do something specific when this object is detected. So we have an onDetected by observer. And I'm just going to add my own debug.log message here. So let's say detected by, and then we can get the site info, and we have site, and site belongs to an observer, which is basically the class that does all the detection, and the observer is the observer which handles all of that feedback. And we can actually add the name here. Might want to add in the context. There we go. So just wait for this to compile. And now we can attach this to our target. So now this target, this site target callbacks, will receive all the callbacks that this target will receive. So we can see in a console right now it has been detected by, which is run by our own code. So here you can use all of the different callbacks to write any extra functionality you'd like. And the site info has a lot of different information. Let's just right click and then go to definition. Got a lot of information here, visible for seconds, if it's detected or not, where it's last seen, the extrapolation data, how visible it is. And that's all the information you can use, and based on that you can write your own code. There's also Playmaker, which will be right up after this.